Welcome to the Reasonable Suspicion and Impairment Awareness for Employees course. This course will cover a number of topics relating to reasonable suspicion and workplace impairment. The modules in this course include the characteristics of the modern workforce and how this impacts substance use trends, what to be aware of in your company drug and alcohol policy, when drug and alcohol testing is used and why, how to document reasonable suspicion, signs and symptoms of drug and alcohol use, tips on accommodating prescription drug use. What is reasonable suspicion training and why is it important? Reasonable suspicion training is important for both employers and employees. It assists in reducing the risk of impairment on the worksite. Employers and employees alike have obligations to provide safe and productive workplaces. It's important to identify signs of impairment in a coworker and take action before they're on the worksite. If there is suspicion of impairment, it could result in testing of you and your coworkers, temporary shutdown of work and lost wages, extended project timelines. What is impairment? Impairment is defined as any loss or abnormality of physiological, psychological, or anatomical structure or function, whether permanent or temporary. Other definitions suggest impairment is the status of being diminished, weakened, or damaged mentally or physically. When taken in the context of the worksite, any worker who is using a substance that reduces performance, diminishes cognition and reaction times, and impacts safety may be considered impaired. We must manage this risk by recognizing the hazards and putting comprehensive systems in place to reduce the potential of impairment due to drugs and alcohol.